Good morning, everybody. My name is Jan Fernandez, and the problem that I solved out was problem number 5. And so we were looking to find the derivative of y equals 2 over 5x plus 1. And I just started out by writing our definition of the derivative, which is f prime of x equals the limit as h approaches 0 of f x plus h minus f of x all over h. And so here in this first step, what I did was I just put the original equation into our definition, and I substituted x plus h for x in that first term. And then in the second step, or there you can see that I distributed that 5 to x and h there in the denominator right there. And so that gave us 5x plus 5h plus 1. And then here in the second step, I knew that I needed to find a common denominator. And then so I multiplied our first term by the second term's denominator, which is 5x plus 1 over 5x plus 1. And then I multiplied that second term there by 5x plus 5h plus 1 over 5x plus 5h plus 1. And that gave us a common denominator of 5x plus 1 times 5x plus 5h plus 1. And then in the numerator, what that gave us was 2 times 5x plus 1 minus 2 times 5x plus 5h plus 1, all over h. And then so in this next step, what I did was I distributed 2 to the 5x and the plus 1, and then I just simplified there in the numerator. And then here in this next step, what I did was I combined like terms. And then so in the numerator, we can see that 10x is canceled out by negative 10x, or minus 10x, and 2 is canceled out by minus 2. And then so that what that left us in the numerator was negative 10h, and then over that common denominator, which was 5x plus 1 times 5x plus 5h plus 1, all over h. And so here in this next step, I decided to multiply that numerator that's above the h by 1 over h, so that we can put h into the denominator, so that it is so that we can factor it out and basically just cancel it out from the numerator and the denominator. And then so what that left us with was negative 10 was the limit as h approaches 0 of negative 10 over 5x plus 1 times 5x plus 5h plus 1. And then so from here, I just decided to do a direct substitution of h equals 0. And so the next step was negative 10 over 5x plus 1 times 5x plus 5 times 0 plus 1. And then that gave me negative 10 over 5x plus 1 times 5x plus 1. And then I could further simplify it to negative 10 over 5x plus 1 squared. And so that is the derivative that I got of our original function. So f prime of x equals negative 10 over 5x plus 1 squared is my final answer. Thank you.